Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Let us start this session with an interesting rhyme. In this rhyme, a mother is asking her little son about the different parts of human body like head, eyes, nose, and so on. Let's start the rhyme. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my head boiler, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my eye blinker, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my nose blower, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my chin chopper, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, chin chopper, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my loudspeaker, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, chin chopper, loudspeaker, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my chest beaker, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, chin chopper, loudspeaker, chest beaker, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Tell me, my son, what is this, dear? This is my food basket, mummy, my dear. Head boiler, eye blinker, nose blower, chin chopper, loudspeaker, chest speaker, food basket, digga digga day. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. This is what I learnt when I went to my school. Thank you. Invention of the term homework. Roberto Nevilis of Venice, Italy, is often credited with having invented homework in 1905. Roberto used homework to punish his lazy students. He also used it to ensure that his students understood and embraced the learned lessons fully. However, since the invention emerged when a system for formal education was developed, it became part of the education system in the European country. Now let us understand the term homework. Work that is done at home, especially school exercises assigned by a teacher, is called homework. Dear students, in this lesson, homework, we are going to learn the advantages of limited homework and also the disadvantages of excessive homework. Homework is schoolwork that are given to students to do at home. Homework is given to students by the teachers. It is a practice work which helps students revise on what they have learned the day. Homework helps students to remember what they learned. Now, let us see some of the advantages of limited homework. Homework will help the students to revise the subject or concept what they read in the school. For example, say if the teacher in a school teaches a concept of say parts of speech like noun, pronoun, and so on. After the teacher teaches you the lesson in the school, the same thing is given to you as homework to revise at home, to learn the definitions of a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and the other parts of speech. So, the main purpose is to revise the concept, whatever is learned at school. Homework is one of the best and effective way to prepare for exams or tests. Obviously, homework will help us to prepare for the exams in an effective way. Students who cannot grab the concept in school can learn it properly at home during homework. So, at school, after the teacher finishes the teaching, there might be some students who cannot immediately grasp the concept, whatever the teacher have taught them. So, when they come back to home, they can again learn the same concept very conveniently at home. Homework helps students to remain engaged with their studies. Dear students, today we are in the competitive world. So teachers give lots of homework claiming that it helps to prepare students for a world that is becoming increasingly competitive. Homework also helps children to develop time management and study skills. It becomes easy for teachers to keep track of progress due to homework given to students. Therefore, homework have historically been given to students to reinforce what they learn at school and ultimately to help them learn the material better. Dear students, according to the lesson, there are more disadvantages than advantages of homework. Now, let us learn what are the disadvantages of excessive homework. Critically acclaimed author Tamim Ansari reports that since 1981, the amount of homework given to an average 6th class child has increased by more than 50%. Students get bored by doing lots of homework given to them. Excessive amount of time spent on completing homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and it limits their participation in sports or other activities. The author of the book, The End of Homework, Dr. Kralovic, says that there is no effect of homework during high school on the successful study skills of the students when they join college. Too much of homework can be dangerous to kids both physically and mentally. A lot of homework means a lot of books to carry.